Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to take apart this IKEA desk. My parents bought this desk for me about 10 years ago and the time has finally come to get rid of it. So I'm going to show you step by step how I took it apart so then I could take it out of my room and transfer it into the garage. Don't hesitate to comment down below if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. Let's get started. So there are these little screws underneath the main part of this desk right here. And what I did was, the screws don't come all the way out. They hold the screws that are facing either upward or downward, and they hold the top of the desk. So what I did was I turned these little guys at least halfway to where it feels loose, because the way that these sit is they can only go in one direction. So this one won't go right because it's holding on to that screw that's inside the board. So I have to turn it left. But if I turn it left all the way, then it'll tighten up and bite onto that screw inside again. So I have to find that middle ground that's kind of loose. So this is tight again. So this feels pretty loose right here. And then I'm gonna go around on the inside. There's two right here. And then there's a couple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10. And I'm going to go around and do that whole thing. So what I decided to do for some of these is take a pick tool. Once I think I have it loosened up in that center area that it sits in, that it needs to be sitting in, and then three, there might be one right there, it's 4. Try to take the top off of the desk, but this piece of cardboard is on the back. Gotta get that off. So once I removed all of the screws up underneath the desk that were holding the top of the desk on, I attempted to remove the top of the desk, but I was unable to do that because there was a big piece of cardboard backing that was screwed onto the back of the desk that I had to remove. So I took a small, tiny little screwdriver and removed all those tiny screws that were holding on that backing onto the back of the desk. And then once I got that backing off, I was able to remove the top part of the desk and transport the whole desk assembly into the garage for the new owner to come pick up. Hopefully this video helped you. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them. Consider subscribing to SLA ART today. Here on the channel, I like to refinish and flip furniture, all that good stuff. So if any of that sounds good to you, please consider subscribing today. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and we'll catch you next one. Take care.